Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to our channel Tech Matrix, and today in this video we will be seeing how you can create a Windows virtual machine on your existing Windows. So stay tuned in this video because we'll be taking all the steps and all the procedures which will be necessary to install a virtual machine on your existing Windows laptop. Now to create a virtual machine on your Windows laptop, we have one software, that is VMware Workstation. So to download this software you have to go to this Google, and there you have to type VMware. So once you go to this VMware link, you will have to go to this first link, this www.vmware.com, and in this open this first link. Okay, so first once you open this link, you will see that there are certain commands, or you can say certain options. So you have to go to this download, and in download you have to go to the free product download. Once you go to this free product download, you have to go to this Workstation Player and just click on this Workstation Player. So this is the latest version, VMware Workstation 16 Player, and there are two types of player available right now, for Linux and for Windows. Like if you are using the Linux, you have to download it for Linux, or if you are using for Windows, you have to download it for Windows. So once you have downloaded this, it's approximately 216 MB file, and once you have downloaded this, you have to install this software. So we will see how we can install this software. Installation of virtual machine is really simple task. You have to agree certain terms and conditions, and once you have agreed the terms and conditions, they will ask you whether you want to use this software for the commercial purpose or for the non-commercial purpose. So I want to use this for a non-commercial purpose, so I will go for the non-commercial purpose. But if you want to use for commercial, you have to provide the license, and that you have to purchase it. So I will use for non-commercial purpose, so I will just open this software. So let me just open this software and just maximize this software. Now I will use to create a new virtual machine. I will go to this create a new virtual machine, where you have to give the path of your ISO file. Now currently I'm using Windows ISO file in order to create the virtual machine for the Windows, so I will choose that Windows file. This is a Windows 10 64-bit operating system, so I will open this and I will select next. Now it will ask for the Windows product key. So currently I'm not having any Windows product key, but don't worry, once it will install the Windows, but it will not be an activated Windows, so you can later activate it from the net. So it's a version of Windows to install. It will ask you which version of Windows you want to install on your system, like it's 10 Education and Home Pro. So I will go for this Education version. Now it's the name of your desktop, so it's Tech Matrix for mine. You have to confirm password, and that's an optional task for here. So I will just select next, and this pop-up window will show that you must have to activate the Windows manually after the installation. So I will just click yes. Now it will ask you to give the virtual machine name. So for that I will give virtual machine name this Asus V, and this location where installation is happening on your system. You can change it also as per your requirement. Now I will just click next. Now it will ask you how much space you want to allocate for your Windows. Like it's default 60 GB, you can make it large also, so but it will be good if you make it 60 GB for this. And it will ask you whether we want to store this virtual machine as a single file, or you can use this as a split mode of your hard disk. So for me it's NVMe type SSD, so I will use it for the split mode because I want good performance. I don't want to bother my installed Windows with this virtual window. So I will just next. Now once I will finish this, the installation will start. Now it's giving me the details what you have entered, the name of your virtual machine, the location where it's going, what's the version of workstation which you are using, how much hard disk space you have allocated, what mode is there, split or it's copying in the same hard disk, what memory are you allocating, that's 2 GB, what all the cores will be used, and what all the other devices will be used once you have created this virtual machine.